Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Steam web browser cache. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface for Steam, and I have already logged into my account. Now let's simply look at how to delete the web browser cache. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this button called as Steam that is in the top left. Click on it. Now from here, do note that there are lots of options, but right now all you guys need to do is directly go to settings. Click on it right now, and guys, once you do, this thing will open up. From here, as you can see, there are lots of options, but right now all you guys have to do is simply scroll down till you see the in-game tab. Click on it right now, and guys, this is it. From here you can simply enable Steam overlay and such. But right now, all we want to do is delete the web browser cache. Right here, just below web browser homepage, you will see a button like this that says delete web browser data. Simply click on the button associated with it and just give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. Your Steam web browser data has been cleared. That's the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.